This is Sophia from Riselaser Laser. I'm in our factory. Now I'll show you. This machine is ready for cutting. As you can see, this is a carbon steel. This is the thickness of this carbon steel. And now we're going to testing it. Yeah, we have cut it just now and show the another side. It's very smoothly in the other side. Machine you can see now is the machine that have packed ready for loading. This is 3015 laser cutting machine. You can see the two of the bed have separate and the other components is also being taken where. Also, we have assembling instruction manual and a video which you can assembling the machine very easy when you receive it. And this is the assembling area. 3015 laser cutting machine bed here waiting for assembly. As you can see, this is the guide rail we have used, and this could be customized. It could be YYC, Heewin, and or other customized brand. You can see the bone structure of this machine is very strong. The mentor, this is the standard machine. The mentor of this one is reaches 1 cm.